my name is Rasmi Bhattrai. I am a computer engineering student from Institute of Engineering, Paschimantral Campus, Pokhara, and I have done a project on deep learning, and its title is Disease Prediction in Maize Plant. Harvest the seeds of love. The mission of my project is to implement deep learning algorithms for early detection of different diseases in maize plant from images, and to suggest cure for the disease to help the farmers. So reduce crop damages, use of fertilizers, disease treatment cost, etc. And also this project aims to promote green innovation and farmers' health safety. Okay, now let's move to how it works. User inputs maize images. The image is sent to backend server, and after that the image is processed using convolutional neural networks and machine learning algorithms, and finally the model predicts disease if present and sends the result back to the user, and hence the disease is predicted. So why deep learning? Because it is precise. It delivers better prediction than conventional methods, and also it is faster. It can solve complex problems in very short time, and also it allows better decision making because it uses the concept of neural networks, and neural networks are of course very powerful, and neural networks can understand the features on their own, so it requires less feature engineering as well. So what are the specifics of the project? It uses deep learning algorithms to identify the disease in plants. Also, convolutional neural networks are very powerful in identifying features and detecting complex patterns in images, and also the similar approach can be used to predict disease in other plants, classify the soil, fertilizers, etc., which will be beneficial for the agricultural system. So the use cases of my project are our model can be easily integrated to web apps, and also farmers can click photo right from their phone and predict disease. Model can be solved as an API and sold as software as a service for business purposes. Okay, here are the graphs of training and validation accuracy as well as loss before and after unfreezing the base layer. And is we have very few images, we have used the concept of transfer learning. We can see that we have about 4000 images in training set, 436 images in test set, and 438 images in validation set. To train our model from scratch, we need a lot of data set, but as we have limited data set, so we have used the concept of transfer learning. And this project can be extended further in other agricultural sectors as well, to classify disease of other plants, and to classify soil, to classify fertilizers and help the farmers. And also this can be sold to governmental and non-governmental organizations as well.